Warm fronts. So again, recall that a front is where two air masses collide. And a warm front then is going to be where warm air collides with cold air. When that happens, our front shape is going to be much shallower than it was for the cold front. The cold front was very, very steep. It's going to be shallow because the warm air has a lower density. So it rises above the cold air. So as our warm air pushes in, the cold air with its higher density is going to force that warm air to move upward along that front. Because it's so shallow, the first part of the front to arrive is, let's try that again, is up here at the very high altitude part of the front. And so that's when you're going to get cirrus clouds. Then later you're going to get the lower level clouds. And because that front is so shallow, you've got them for a long time. And so these are going to be our stratus clouds. And we're going to see those for a couple days, probably. So typically you get the slow, steady rain from these stratus clouds. It's going to be spread out over a large section of that front. Now, the one thing that is true for both cold front and warm front is at the frontal boundary, you're going to get low pressure. And that's for the same reason, because you've got rising warm air. So when you hit that point where the air is rising, you're going to get your lowest pressure. So once the pressure starts going back up, that's when you know the front has passed. So that is our warm front conditions.